Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I wish you all a very good morning. I hope you all are great and enjoyed and learned from your previous lectures. As you all know, I'm your maths teacher Sadia Ahad. I welcome you all into today's lecture. Today in lecture number 14, we will reinforcement of four operations. Now let's start with addition. What is addition? Addition is the result of adding two or more numbers, or in other words, the process of finding the sum of two or more numbers is called addition. We can use more, sum, total, altogether words for an addition. So here is the first example number 1 of addition. Sum like 18,000 more than 65,056,972. The word more means bigger. So let's add. First write the place values from right hand side. Start from units place, unit, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. We always add numbers from units place. Now let's start addition. 2 plus 0 we will get 2, 7 plus 0 we will get 7, 9 plus 0 we will get 9, 6 plus 8 we will get 14. Now carry 1 to 10,000. Now add 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 1, 7 we will get 7. Now write 0, 5, 6. So the answer is 65,074,972. Now let's learn subtraction. Subtraction is a term used to describe how we take away one or more numbers from another. Subtraction is also used to find the difference between two numbers. Subtraction is the opposite of addition. The part that is left over subtraction is called the difference. We can also use less than in subtraction. Here is an example number 2 of subtraction, that is 70,000 less than 9,564,349. So let's start from units place. We can easily subtract 0 from 9, then 0 from 4, then 0 from 3, then 0 from 4 again. But we cannot subtract 7 from 6. So we will borrow 1 from the previous number. Now it's become 16. Now we can easily subtract 7 from 16. We get 9. Then write 4 and then 9. So the answer is 9,494,349. Here is an example number 3 about smallest and greatest number up to 8-digit number. Now I will read. From the smallest 8-digit number, subtract greatest 6-digit number. We have to do subtraction here. So let's start from the units place. We cannot subtract 9 from 0. We will borrow 1 from the previous number, but it is 0 again. We will move towards the next digit, but it is again 0. Moving towards left, further we have 0 till millions. So let's borrow 1 from 10 millions place and make the 0 next to it a 10, and then subtract 1 by 1, and lastly we will get 9,000,001. Here is an example of multiplication. Now we will multiply 6-digit number by 3-digit number. What is multiplication? Multiplication is defined as calculating the result of repeated addition of numbers. First write the multiplicand, that is 987,452 multiplied by 346, that is multiplier. We always start with the units digit of the bottom of the number, the multiplier. Now multiply it by the last digit in the top number. Write the answer below the line. Now first multiply 6 by 2. Now 6 2 times we will get 12. Proceed with the same method from right to left. Now you have multiplied the 6th digit by every digit in the top number. Move to the 10th digit in the bottom number, multiply as above, but this time write your answer in a new row, shifting one digit place to the left and placing a cross in units place. Because we moved on tens place, now you have multiplied the 4 digits by every digit in the top number. 4 2 times, 4 5 times, 4 4 times, 4 7 times, 4 8 times, and 4 9 times. Move to the 100 place in the bottom number, multiply as above. But this time write your answer in a new row, shifting one digit place to the left and placing a cross in tens place. Because we move to 100 place, when you finish multiplying, draw an other line, answer line below your last row of answer numbers. Lastly, use long addition to add your number columns from right to left, carrying as you normally would for long addition. So the answer is 341,658,392. Now my dear students, here we will learn division of numbers up to 6 digits by 3 digits number. So what is division? Division is a method of distributing a group of things into equal parts. It is one of the 4 basic operations of arithmetic which gives a fair result of sharing. Here is an example number 5. Let's divide 616,046 by 483. So first write the table of 483 in rougher column. It helps to divide the given number. Now first write the sign of division like this. Then write the divisor, which is 483 outside of the sign. Then write dividend 616,046 inside. Then start from your left hand side. Now what comes nearest to 616 in 483 times table? 483. So write 483 below the number 616. Then subtract as normally do in subtraction sums. Now we get 133. After that, in the next step, carry down 0. Now divide 1330 by 483. Now look at the rougher column. So does 1330 come in 483 times table? No, we don't have 1330 in 483 times table, but we have 483 2 times 966, which is smaller than 1330. Now subtract it and then follow the same method in next two steps. But here 221 is left. This is called remainder, and 1275 is the answer and is called quotient. Here we have a word problem of multiplication. First read thoroughly. If a project needs rupees 567,432 to be completed, then how much money will be needed for 452 such projects? Now, first write the statements. Cost of a project is equal to rupees 567,432. Cost of 452 projects is equal to question mark. Operation used, we will use is multiplication. Multiply 567,432, that is a multiplicand, by 452, that is multiplier. First write the multiplicand and then write the multiplier. We always start multiplication with the units digits of the bottom of the number, the multiplier. Now multiply it by the last digit in the top number, write the answer below the line. Now first multiply 2 times, we get 4. Proceed with the same method from right to left. Now you have multiplied the ones digit by every digit in the top number. Move to the tens digit in the bottom number. Multiply as above. But this time write your answer in a new row. Shifting one digit, place to the left and place a cross in the units place because we have moved to tens place. Now you have multiplied the digit 5 by every digit in the top number. Move to the 100 place in the bottom number, multiply as above, but this time write your answer in a new row, shifting one digit place to the left and place a cross in a tens place. Because we have moved on 100 place, when you finish multiplying, draw another answer line below your last row of your answer numbers. Lastly, use long addition to add your number column from right to left, carrying as you normally do for long addition. So the answer is rupees 256,479,264 is the cost of 452 projects. Here we have another word problem of division. First, read carefully. A family care store wants to place an order for toothbrushes. If one box contains 250 toothbrushes, how many boxes must the shop order for a stock of 556,750 toothbrushes? So my dear students, first write the statements. First statement is one box contains 250 toothbrushes. Total number of toothbrushes are 556,750. We have to find out how many number of boxes. Operation which we are going to use is division. Now divide 556,750 by 250. First write the table of 250 in the rougher column. It helps to divide the given number. First write the sign of division like this. Then write the divisor, which is 250, outside of the sign. Then write dividend 556,750 inside. Then starting from your left hand side, now what comes nearest? 556 in 250 times table. 500 comes 2 times, so write 500 below the number 556, and then subtract as you normally do in subtraction sums. We get 56. After that, in next step, carry down 7. Now divide 567 by 250. Now look at the rougher column. When does 567 comes in 250 times table? We don't have 567 in 250 times table, but we have 500 2 times of 250. Now subtract it and then follow the same method in next 2 steps. So there is no remainder left. So the result is 2 2227 number of boxes. My dear students, only attempt the questions written in index. The examples given are only for help purpose, and they are not to be done in copy. Only follow the index and do the questions mentioned in index. Alright, my dear students, I hope you understand the reinforcement of the four operations. This is end of the today's lecture. See you in the next lecture. Until then, take care of your good selves. Thank you so much, and remember that practice makes perfect. So practice more and more as you can. Best of luck for your future. Allah Hafiz. Jazakallahu khairan.